Let me go ahead and get this in writing for you guys. Well, first let me start. Number one. So, the box method from last Thursday. And you don't have to use the box method. You can think about it like double distribution is good too, but I'm going to start with this one. The x plus 4, I'm going to be writing on the side. And the x minus 9, I'm going to write on the top. Side and the top. So I have an x here, a 4 here, an x here, and a negative 9 here. Any questions so far? Tristan, are you using this method? Yeah? Okay. So now this is multiplication. Because when I look in here, there's no plus sign or minus sign. It's multiplication. So I'm going to do x times x. I got an x squared. Were you here last Thursday? Do you remember this box? Okay. And then I'm going to do x times negative 9. And that's negative 9x. I think that's the one you were asking about, the negative. And then 4 times x. 4x. 4 times negative 9. Negative 36. Who's got a question? Zoe, do you want to go ahead and try this? I got this one done. Why don't you get your paper and stuff out so you're ready for number 2? Okay? Okay, so now that I have all of the windows filled out, I'm going to write it out underneath. I'm going to start with the squared term first. I'll answer your question in just a minute, Sarah. Who remembers the next step after you write all 4 out? Combine them. Nice. Those are always going to be like terms. Almost always, almost always. So it's x squared minus 5x minus 36. Okay? All right, I did the first one. I'm going to write the schedule for today here. You guys go ahead, do number 2 and 3. Get them right. Yes, sir. Yeah. So there's like which point is on a 16 out of 30. 16 out of 30 is probably a high 3, low 4. Is that what you got? I know you got it. No, I thought you got it. Yeah, I thought you got more than that, right? Why are you asking about 16? Oh, it's just the question. Yeah. Yeah. So you need to get half the questions right to get a 3. So 16 out of 30 is just over half. So I would say that's a mid to high 3. So if you got 15 out of 30, you have 3. It's actually, to be completely honest with you guys, like Melina, it depends which questions you got right. So some questions are worth more than others. So that varies. If it's a select all question, it's worth more than like a regular multiple choice question. If it's a question that has a trick answer in it, that's worth more than a regular question. So each question is assigned a level. So technically, if you got the hardest 11 correct, 11 out of 30, but it was the most difficult ones, you could still get like a 3 or a 4. And there are people who maybe got all of the right ones correct that have a lower score than somebody who got the most difficult ones correct. You guys follow me? So there's different points. Okay, good question. You thought that was a mistake? Like, it does look weird when you're comparing. I got this many right, and you get that many right. We got the same score. How is that possible? Yes. Monday. This is what we did Thursday. Sorry, your question? This is called binomial. Yeah, I'm gonna go with binomial multiplication.
What do you think have everything for each pocket?
Hey, are you guys, raise your hand if you're done all four. Raise your hand if you're done with two of them. Raise your hand if you're done with three of them. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Let's get some of y'all coming up and doing the box. Okay. Wait, sir, you got number two. You got three, Travis, you got two. Yeah,